The product we have for you today will help you stay prepared for winters. So let's look at some features of this product. This heater is ideal for a room size of up to 250 square feet when operated at 2000 watt heat setting. Because the heater is 1 foot and weighs about 1 kg, moving and storing the heater is very easy. A safety mesh grill is provided for protection. On top of that, the body of the heater remains cool and is safe to touch while the heater is still on. The heater is equipped with a non-sagging stitching type and long-lasting heating element. This heater comes with a safety cutoff, overheat protection and a thermal cutoff for added safety. It also has 2 heat settings, 1000 watts and 2000 watts to suit your needs. In the package, you should find one room heater and a user guide. Please go through the guide before using the product.